Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Today we are going to start
very important topic, that is Boolean laws. First law is properties of 0 and 1. If we add 1 to any Boolean variable, then the result is 1. If we multiply 0 to any variable, the result is 0. And another is, if 0 is added to that variable, result is again that variable. If 1 is multiplied to the Boolean variable, the result is that Boolean variables. Now second is complementary law. This law states that the variable added to its complement results 1. The variable multiplied with its complement results in 0. So we can check by the truth table, is it true? I am taking the one variable only, so there are only two values, either 0 or 1, and we have to take the complement of it. 1 is changed into 0. So firstly we are going to perform this a plus a complement. See students, 0 and 1 को प्लस करेंगे प्लस, 1 और 0 को प्लस करेंगे 1. Yes. So a plus a complement results, the whole values are 1. So we can say that a plus a complement is equal to 1. Now we are performing this expression to show that is it right or wrong. I have to take the product of Boolean variable with its complement. So what is product value? 0 1 को प्रोडक्ट करेंगे क्या आएगा? 0 1 0 को प्रोडक्ट करेंगे 0. So all are zeros. So we can say that the product of a and a complement is equal to 0. Next is idempotent law. This law states that if variable either added or multiply with the same variable, the result is same. So we can check by the truth table. If I have the a variable, then values are 0 and 1. Same I have to take the 0 and 1 because again a. So I have to take a plus a. So if we are going to add these two zeros, then result is 0. These two ones, result is 1. So we can say that result is same with a. Or in another case, if we are doing the product of these two variables, product of a with a only, then again result is 0, 1, 1, result is 1. So we can say that if any variable is added or multiplied with the same variable, then the result is that variable. Next is involution law. This law states that double complement of any variable is equal to the same variable. We can check by truth table again. If I am taking the one variable a, so values are 0 and 1. So what is the complement of it? 1. 1 is changed into 0. Again we have to take the complement this. So 1 is changed into 0, 0 is changed into 1. So we can see that these values are same. Next is commutative law. Commutative law states that if we are adding a, b or b, a, the result is same. The position of variable doesn't matter in case of addition, in case of product also. So I am going to check this. There are two variables. So I am taking the 4 combinations of it. So now I am perform the a plus b. 0 0 0 आएगा, बाकी सब 1 आ जाएगा because it's a addition. Again, so I have to perform this b plus a. So I am taking the this value. Yes. I am writing here b firstly, then a. So now I am taking the addition. Again result is 0 1 1. So result is same in both addition. So we can say that a plus b is equal to b plus a. Similarly, a product b is equal to b product a. Sixth law is the distributive law. In this law, if we are performing the addition firstly and then product with a is equal to a product with b plus a product with c. Same if we are writing a plus bc, then we can write it a plus b product a plus c. Students, first law is used in mathematics. Sometimes we have write this. We have expression like this in mathematics. So what we are doing? 4x plus 4 into 5. This law is used in these expressions in mathematics. Yes, but second law is used in only Boolean algebra. That is not used in mathematics. Now I am going to prove that this expression is same with this expression. So I am taking 3 variables because in this expression there are 3 variables. So I have to write 8 combinations from 0 to 7. So now firstly we have to perform the b plus c. For that 0, 0, 0, 0. Others are 1. Here again b plus c, 0. Both are 0, so result is 0. Others are 1. Yes. Now we have to take the product of a with b plus c. So 0, 0, product is 0. Again product is 0 because there is 1, 0. Here 1, 1. Both are 1, so product is 1. 1, 1. Product is 1. 1, 1. Product is 1. So this is the left hand side. Now I want to prove the right hand side. So firstly we have to take the product of a and b. A and b का product लेंगे 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Only there are 2 situations when both are 1, the product is 1 at last. Now we have to take the product of a and c. So here I am writing the values. Here both are 1, so result is 1. And last both are 1, result is 1. Now we have to take the addition of both products. So all values are 0. There is 1, there is 1, and there is 1 according to these values. Yes. So this value is same with this value. So we can say that distributive law states that this expression is same to this expression. Similarly, we can construct the truth table for this law also. Next is associative law. Associative law states that if we are adding 2 variables firstly, then we are adding third variable to it, or if we are adding firstly 2 variables, then we are adding the third variable to it. Both are the same. Either we are adding these 2 variables firstly, either we are adding these 2 variables firstly. Yes, same in case of product also. You can construct truth table to prove this law. Next is absorption law. This law states that a plus ab is equal to a, and a multiplied with a plus b is equal to a. Now I am constructing the truth table to prove this. So there are 2 variables. Take the 4 combinations, and firstly I am proving this. Have to take the product ab. So in this product, what is the value? 0, 0, 0, 1. Because products gives result only 1 when both are 1. So now I have to take the addition. Yes. So a and ab. Take the addition. Yes. Result is same with the a. So we can say that this is equal to this. Similarly, you can construct the truth table for that also to show both are the equal. Last is De Morgan theorem. That is very, very important. This theorem is developed by the A. De Morgan, mathematician. This law states that the complement of the sum of the variable is same the product of the complements of the variable. अगर हम किसी 2 वेरिएबल्स का पहले एडिशन करें बाद में कॉम्प्लीमेंट करें, दैट इज इक्वल टू द पहले उनका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करें देन उनका प्रोडक्ट करें. सेम इन द अनदर केस, इफ वी आर टेकिंग द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 वेरिएबल्स, दैट इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द complement of the 2 variables. We can prove this theorem by truth table also.
That's all, students. You have to revise your topics. Thank you so much.